Alright guys, today I want to talk to you about the Sckin Charcoal Gommage Cleanser. Completely unique product. I want to tell you a little bit about it and then I want to show you how to use it. So when we were developing the Sckin product line, the cleanser was definitely a hot topic of conversation because I don't care whether it was a gel cleanser or foam cleanser, those always left clients feeling dry or that they needed to tone afterwards. And then cream cleansers always left clients feeling like there's like a residue where they need to, continue to wash. And then of course, something us ladies always have the biggest issue is our eye makeup, right? So how in the world would you find something like that? So we knew that we wanted to have active charcoal within our product. Fantastic for detoxifying. I call it detoxifying the day off of your skin, if you will. And the lab in Italy came to us and said, well, we've kind of been working on this product and thinking about it. So why don't we put some active charcoal in there and send it to you and see what you think? So I'm not gonna lie to you, the first time I got a sample of this product and the first time I put it in my hands, I was like, no, absolutely not. I also tend to be more oily skin. So the first time I was using it, I was like, what is this? This is crazy. Then as it started to change, which we'll talk about, and then once I rinsed my face, it was literally the most amazing product I probably have ever come across. It's completely revolutionary. So it is a changing cleanser and it's a dry application cleanser, which is what I'm gonna go through with you today. It goes on almost like I call it like a tacky glue. And then you have to really activate it to make it change its consistency and to allow that charcoal to start to detoxify and break down not only, the dirt and grime of the day, but your makeup as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to use it. So first I'm gonna put on my lovely, hair protecting wrap so that I can, still rock the good hair tomorrow. We'll do that. All right, so now you see, dry face, dry hands, charcoal gommage cleanser. We're gonna put, you really do not need a lot for your entire face, maybe a nickel size amount. And then I literally take it and spread it on my 2 fingers and you kind of saw the consistency is kind of like, again, a tacky glue. And then I kind of put dots around my face, okay? So now I've put the product around my entire area and I'm just gonna start working it in. Now again, I haven't gone into the eye area yet. We are literally getting the surface of the skin. Now, what is happening is the charcoal is starting to activate and you get this wonderful warming sensation. So you know something's happening. It's not just superficial. Because it requires more manual maneuvering within here, you are also loosening those dead skin cells, so those will come off in a very nice manner, nothing too harsh like acids or anything, so really good daily. Definitely use this every night to get off my makeup. Some clients use it up to 3 times a day, some of my workout friends out there. You can put it in the shower. I will say that with some of the humidity in the shower, you won't get as much friction. So some clients who may be more sensitive like that because it does give it a little bit more glide. I, though, at the end of the day, especially makeup, like to really get in there. Now, if you've noticed, primarily the gray is gone. So the active charcoal has gone in, done its thing, and now the consistency's even changed. Instead of that tacky glue, I have like this beautiful oil, kind of ceramide feeling, not greasy, kind of greasy, but silky, right? Now this is where I love to go in with my eye makeup. Now, of course, if you have eyelash extensions with glue, you wouldn't want to go putting it on top of your eyelash extensions. I do not. So then I'm going to come right in onto my eye makeup and rub and it just melts away everything. Eyeliner, mascara, primer. I have to use all those on a consistent basis. And there we go. So now it's time to rinse. With your water splasher, a rag wiper, whatever you means, you're just gonna get the product off. So I'm gonna come in with my flannels. Look at that. Today was a little heavier makeup day. I was working on some videos at the office. And we are still getting it off. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So again, in all my years of being in the industry and all the cleansers that I used, I have never experienced a cleanser that was so unique, so active, so soft, and effective. Oh, look at that beautiful skin. So again, completely clean. Do not feel like I need a double cleanse. Do not need to go in with an eye makeup remover. Do not need to tone. My skin is silky, soft. No residue, soft. Actually, it's a perfect surface to go and receive your products, nighttime products on top of that. Have any questions? Call us, email me, whatever you need. We're always here for you to make the right product line work for you.